Window installation Texarkana is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our expert window contractors in Texarkana, TX, specialize in providing top-notch window installation services, ensuring that each window is fitted perfectly to maximize insulation and reduce energy costs. Whether you're interested in vinyl window installation Texarkana or exploring other window styles, our team is here to help. Energy-efficient windows Texarkana are a popular choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on utility bills. Our selection of energy-efficient windows in Texarkana includes a variety of styles, such as double-hung windows and casement windows, designed to provide superior insulation and comfort. By choosing energy-efficient windows Texarkana, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective home environment. For those seeking window installation services in Texarkana, our team offers comprehensive solutions tailored to your needs. Texarkana window installation services include everything from window measurement and consultation to the final installation, ensuring a seamless transition and minimal disruption to your daily life. Our window contractors in Texarkana, TX, are experienced in handling all types of window replacements, including custom windows and standard options. Vinyl window installation Texarkana is a popular choice due to its durability and low maintenance requirements. Our vinyl windows are designed to withstand the Texarkana climate, providing long-lasting performance and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're upgrading your current windows or installing new ones, our vinyl window installation Texarkana services ensure a perfect fit and finish. Custom window installation Texarkana offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home or business. Our custom windows Texarkana services include design consultation, measurement, and installation, ensuring that your windows reflect your style and meet your specific requirements. Whether you're looking for a specific shape, size, or style, our window installation Texarkana experts ensure precise fitting and professional installation for lasting performance and visual appeal. Window services in Texarkana provide a versatile option for homeowners looking to enhance their property's style and functionality. Our casement windows are designed for easy operation and maximum airflow, making them a popular choice in Texarkana. With our casement window services Texarkana, you can enjoy a seamless installation process and expert guidance on selecting the best windows for your home. Window installation Texarkana, TX, is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Our window installation Texarkana TX services cover everything from window frame replacement to window sealing and caulking. We ensure that your windows are properly maintained and functioning optimally, preventing drafts and energy loss. Trust our skilled technicians for all your window replacement needs in Texarkana.